Straining to see your screen, let's add that blue light card to your Apple Wallet for easy discounts and save your eyes. First, locate the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. It usually looks like a colorful card icon. Give it a tap to open it up. Now, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You should see a plus sign icon. That's what we need to add a new card. Tap on that plus sign. A new screen will pop up. Ignore all the options for now and select debit or credit card. This is the option that we need to manually enter our blue light card details. Next, you will be directed to a screen for card details. Now, enter the long card number. This is a 16-digit number on the front of your blue light card. After entering the long card number, proceed to entering the card expiry date and the CVV code, which is usually a 3-digit code. Then, on the same screen, you will need to enter your name. Make sure that the name matches the one on the card. Once done, Apple will verify your card with blue light, and just like that, your blue light card is now in your Apple Wallet. You can use it for contactless payments and enjoy those sweet discounts.